Steven.
Poke Design to Sean.
And we want to be your Po-Town heroes, your source for all your budget Pokemon needs.
What is up, everybody, and welcome back to Po-Town Heroes, your source for all your budget Pokemon needs. I'm Rhyhorn Trainer Steven, and today I figured, you know what, it's been a while since we've done anything for you guys. Let's just open a couple packs and kind of fill you in on what we're planning on doing for 2020. So, yeah, it's definitely been, ooh, there is a lot of good stuff. Yes, we might actually have our full set of quick balls, so we won't have to worry about those. Okay. But yeah, our lives have definitely been busy for the last while, with me going through what I'm going through, and sweet, we got an Inteleon. We're gonna have a lot of what we need, all our quick balls and whatnot. But yeah, I've been going through a lot. We're finally stabilizing a little bit, so we might be able to start bringing you content again. But it's still going to be a little bit before we can make that happen. But Soap and Sword and Shield, I am so hyped for this set, especially after seeing a lot of the new designs. Come on, come on. Yes! The card I am most excited for is out of the first pack. Yes! Yes, you guys shouldn't be surprised. I'm running Mill. Other than that, okay. A lot of good stuff in here. Vitality Band, Haunter. Okay. Can we go Rhyperior number 2? Rhyperior second pack. Come on. You want to do it? No, but we got the budget Zoro, so we'll see. This thing's definitely going to be big, hopefully. Ooh. Lumberry, Rare Candy. Oh yeah, there's definitely a lot of cool stuff in this set. Ooh, that might... Huh. So yeah, I'm definitely the most hyped for Rhyperior, the Centiskorch, Orbeetle. Yeah, I'm really liking this Orbeetle, and it would be really easy to make it work. Or who knows, we might already have it in the works. Let's see. I also really like how they're doing this energy now. How they have like the little glowing ball on the back. Rhyhorn. That's what I like to see. Rhyperior. Thievul. I almost want Nickit better. There's ideas for Nickit. Quillfish. I know where you're going. Drampa. Ooh. But yeah, I got plans for this. Another quick ball, Kleptopus. I might be able to use Wooloo for something. Alright. Dreadnought. Kind of have an idea with him. And Drapion. Flip a coin. Paralyzed. And 130. Poison. Okay. A little steep, but... with all the dark acceleration, maybe. Tennessee. There's a Rhydon. Do I have Rhyperior? Frostmoth. Not complaining. Definitely going to give water a huge acceleration. Pharisee. Diglett. Cinderace. Very nice. And we got our reverse V, Snorlax V. Wow. Yeah, we're getting a lot of good stuff. But what's next? What's next? Come on, come on. I want my Rhyperior. Like, I really want my playset of Rhyperior. Drizzle, Salazzle. 30, flip 4 coins, so 30 for each head. If 2 are heads, they're now paralyzed. Okay. Let's see, and then what do we got? Ninetales. It's not bad. Rhyhorn, Lucky Egg, Rhyperior, Berserker. Come on, give me my boy. Okay, I'm going to I'm going to be fully honest. I do not like this bug's design. It is. I feel like other Pokemon would pick on it and ask for its lunch money. I mean, it's a shame that it turns into Orbeetle and it's amazing, but this bug I'm not the biggest fan of. Go boy. Let's see. Another Cinderace, not bad. Ooh, an Energy Search? I didn't realize that was coming back. Thwacky. Mudsdale. It's not horrible. Too bad there's like no good flip support, like Victini. And another Budget Zoro. Come on, come on. Something good, something good, something good. Inteleon, cool. Really want the ability one, and even then, I want my Rhyperior. I want my Rhyperiors. Another Snorlax V. Not bad. So let's see. Now what? Now what? Cloyster, not bad. I might actually be able to get another one deck off the ground before I have to trade for pieces for another. Oh man. Scorpiony, Claydol. There's a couple ideas I have with that. But come on, give me Rhyperior. Another Schizopeed. Gengar. I will admit, I really like this set because it's actually fairly balanced. No one type is getting like the absolute advantage. Yeah, you're getting a lot of support because of Welder and all that kind of stuff, but honestly, looking at the set by itself, there actually is a lot of balance. There's no one side is getting a lot bigger. Ooh, double rare. Rhyperior. Yes! Called it! Ah, I have ideas for this boy. And a Mudsdale. Yes, I got my boy. I'm happy, and he's reversed. Although I really like the new reverses this set. I mean, those are just beautiful. But yeah, Whimsicott, nice. So hopefully we're at a point where we can actually sit down and start recording again. My life's starting to slow down a little bit and stabilize. Although Sean's going to school, that's the Intellion one. But since he's going to school, but he's still able to find time to start recording, I'm able to start finding time to record. So it might be another couple weeks until we're back, but we are coming back because I have so many ideas from this set. I have to share them. So let's see. Boom, boom, boom. Getting some decent pulls, but not a lot of the pulls I want. Like I've only seen one Scorch, but of course we're only opening like 30 packs. But still, like I need the Scorch. We might have our Skizbeetle or our Beetles. Ooh, another Raichu. But yeah, like I said, I got a lot of ideas this set, and I can't wait to implement. Ooh, I like that switch. Okay, Stone Joiner, nice, and Rhyperior. Morpeko VMAX. Hmm. Not the worst. That's definitely going to see some play. Another Gengar and a Poltergeist. That thing's that thing's a worthy of a double rare. Okay. Another Rhyhorn. Revival. Okay. Another Cinderace. Not the good one though. And out of packs. And it looks like they're not available in the store yet. They'll probably be available tomorrow. But anyway, let's take a final look at everything that we end up getting. So filters, sword and shield, apply. So we got some decent stuff from only a couple packs. Hopefully we'll get more packs and we can open more for you. But yeah, mostly we only got one of the Centiskorch. I'm gonna need more, at least a playset. But yeah, we got some decent stuff. Not not a lot of the stuff we need, but we got some decent stuff. We definitely got a lot of our quick balls and incense, which are definitely going to be huge. Let's see. Krogonk, okay. I mean, we got some decent stuff. Kind of got an idea for Dreadnought, but we've kind of done it before with the Vice Bite, but it's still going to be a solid deck. The ability drizzle with the Inteleon is definitely going to see a lot of play. Um, huh. Huh. Neat. I think I got a spot for Dubwool. But Dugtrio, Pharisee, Thorn. Yeah, Frostmoth is going to see a lot of play, especially with water decks. Uh, so yeah, that's definitely going to be good. Obstagoon's going to see some play. I don't think he's going to see a lot of play, but we'll see some play. Berserker is definitely going to be attack. Rapidash is going to be tech. Zagoon. I think Obstagoon may see some play, but it's going to have to be in a bat style deck where you're just Zigzagoon, Obstagoon, bring it back, Zigzagoon, Obstagoon, so on and so forth. But, I mean, they are reliable, but I don't think a lot of the pieces are going to stick around come rotation, so it might be a viable deck for a little bit. Unless newer cards give us support. But even then, Gengar is going to be tech. I kind of see the Hitmon. What is it? The Hitmonlee with the old Hitmonchan? No. Yes, because you would do 30 switch, bring up the Hitmonlee, and you do 160 damage for 3. Not not the worst, but it's only a shame fighting really doesn't have an accelerator. Got the Morkio V Max. This thing might be. This is going to be really good tech and like a control deck. The fact that the stage 2 is definitely going to make it really hard to pull off. But also with Psychic being as prevalent as it is, it might see play as a deck by itself. I mean, just Grass Energy and then uh, Malamar. 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 I mean, it wouldn't be that difficult to make him a powerhouse. I don't know. We might give it a shot. Ponyard. Uh, Okay, so Poltergeist isn't horrible. It's definitely going to be very circumstantial. I have ideas for this Quillfish. You guys are going to find it kind of funny. Got the one Rhyperior. Either way, I'm happy. It's reverse. Anything else that was really noteworthy other than the Snorlaxes? Two Snorlax Vs. I think that's really it. Okay, I can give it a shot. Cause I might, like I said, I might have an idea for Wooloo. You guys are gonna hate the deck. I'm just gonna say that right now. But yeah, that was our Sword and Shield pack opening. Kind of give you guys an update as to what's going on. Um, Either way, hopefully we should be back up and running no later than March. We should have a video out before then, but worst case scenario, March we'll have a video out. Uh, Enjoy or good luck in all your pulls, and as always, may all your games go well, and may the top deck be in your favor. Till next time.